Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 matriculation syllabus or Samachir Kalvi syllabus, second chapter real numbers. In that 5 exercises already I have completed. This is the 6th exercise. In that 2 sums in my previous class I have completed. Now I will do third sum. If root 2 is equal to 1.414, that is the value of root 2 is 1.414. Root 3 is 1.732, root 5 is 2.236, root 10 is equal to 3.162. Then find the values of the following correct to 3 decimal places of 3 places of decimals. Okay. So now first one is root 40 minus root 20. So first we will find the factors of 40. So 2, 20, then 2, 10, 2, 5. So these are the factors of 40. So this we can write it as root of 2 power 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 5. Okay. Minus root 20. So the factors of 20 are 2, 10, 2, 5. That is 2 power 2 into 5. So when we simplify this 2 power 2, that we can bring it out. So that is, this is root 4. Root 4 value is 2. So 2 root 2 5s are 10. So 2 root 10 minus the same way here also. 2 root 5. Okay. So here the value for root 10 is given as 2 into 3.162. So this is the value of root 10 minus 2 into root 5 value is given as 2.236. 2.236. This is the value for root 5. So now we will multiply this, then we will simplify. That's all. So 2.312. So 3162 into 2. So this is 4236. So the value is 6.324. So the same way here itself we will multiply. 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So 4.472. So 6.324 minus 4.472. So when we simplify this, it will be 2, 7 plus 5, 12. Then it will be 12, 8. So 1.852. So 1.852 is the answer for this. Now second sum is root 300 plus root 90 minus root 8. So we will find the factors of 300 here. So 300, then 2, 50, then 5, 10, then again 5, 2. So this one we can write it as root 300, we can write it as root of 2 squared into 5 squared into 3. We can write 300 like that. Then 90. Factors of 90 are 3, 30, then 3, 10, then 2, 5. So now root 90, we can write it as 3 power 2 into 2 into 5. Then root 8, we can write it as 2 power 2 into 2. Okay. So now this one we will substitute it, whatever values we got, whatever values we have simplified, that we will substitute it and then find the value. So root 300 is, this is 2 power 2 into 5 power 2. So 5 2s are 10. 10 we can bring it out. So 10 root 3. Okay. Plus root 90. So for this one 3 squared is only there. So we will write it as 3 root 10. 5 2s are 10. 3 root 10. Minus this one root 8 we can write it as 2 root 2. Okay. So 10 root 3 plus 3 root 10 minus 2 root 2. So here for this root 3, root 10 and root 2 we have given the values. The question itself values are given. We have to substitute it. Then it has to be simplified. So 10 into root 3 value is 1.732 plus 3 into root 10 value is 3.162 minus 2 into root 2 value is 1.414. Okay. So now when we simplify this, 10 into 1.732 is 17.32 plus when we multiply this by 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 3 3s are 9. So 9.486 minus when we multiply this, 4 2s are 8, 2, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So 2.828. So we will add this first, then subtract it. So 17.320 plus 9.486. So when we add this, we will get 6, 8 plus 2, 10, 4 plus 4, 8. So 9 plus 7, 16, 26.806. 26.806 minus 2.828. 2.828. So this one we will subtract. So here 8. So here it will be 7. Then here it will be 9. Then 3, 2. So 8 plus 8, 16, 10, 18, 6, 2. So we will get the answer as 23.978. So this is, they are asking us to correct, to write the following values to 3 decimal places. So we wrote it in 3 decimal places only, both the sums. Okay. Fourth sum is arrange surds in descending order. So in that first sum is cube root of 5, 9th root of 4, 6th root of 3. So here we are asked to arrange it in descending order. Okay. So if the root is same, we can able to arrange it in ascending or descending order, whatever order they are asking, we can compare it. Here the root is different. So we have to make that root as a same root. Then it can be arranged. Okay. So here this cube root is, we can write it as 5 power 1 by 3. This 9th root of 4, we can write it as 4 power 1 by 9. So this one as 3 power 1 by 6. So here 1 by 3, 1 by 9 and 1 by 6. We have to make it as some common fraction. That is fraction with the same denominator. So for that we will find LCM. So 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 6. So we will find LCM for this denominator. So for 3, 9, 6, LCM is 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 3 2s are. So the LCM will be 18. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So 1 by 3, if we are changing it to the denominator as 18, it will be 6 times. So the numerator also will be changed. So that is 6 by 18. Then 1 by 9. So 9 will be 2 times we will get 18 in the denominator. So the numerator we will get it as 2. Then for 1 by 6 it is 3 times. 6 3s are 18. So numerator will be 3 by 18. So whatever fraction we got in the power, so that will be changed to some other thing, that is 5 power 1 by 3, it will be changed to 5 power 6 by 18. Okay. Then 4 power 1 by 9, 4 power 1 by 9. So that will be changed to 4 power 2 by 18. Then this 3 power 1 by 6 will change to 3 power 3 by 18. Okay. So now this 5 power 6 by 18, we can rewrite it as 5 power 6 the whole power 1 by 18. So our aim is to make the power of the given number to a same power. Okay. So if we do like this only, the power will be converted to a same power. That is 5 power 6 whole power 1 by 18. Then next one is 4 power 2 whole power 1 by 18. Then next one is 3 power 3. So this 3 by 18, how we are getting this? 1 by 18. So that is, we can write this as 3 into 1 by 18. So this 3, I am writing it as 3 power 3 into 1 by 18 separately. The same way these things also. 4 power 2 into 1 by 18. This 2 by 18, 2 into 1 by 18 we will write. Then this 6 by 18, 6 into 1 by 18 we will write. So like this it will be changed. Now we will find 5 power 6. 5 power 6, 4 power 2 and 3 power 3. So 5 power 6 is 5 multiplied 6 times. So 5 5s are 25. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. So 25 25s are 625, that we know. So 625 into 25 will be 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. 6 5s are 30 31. Then 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4 1 5. 6 2s are 12. So 5 2 6 5 1. So we will get 5 power 6 as 1 5 6 2 5 whole power 1 by 18. 1 by 18. Then 4 power 2 is 16 whole power 1 by 18. Then 3 power 3 is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27 whole power 1 by 18. So now all these three numbers we can write it in the same root, that is root 18. 1 5 6 2 5. Then root 18 16. Root 8 16 18th root. 18th root of 16. 18th root of 1 5 6 2 5. Then 18th root of 27. Okay. So now we will arrange it in descending order. So 18th root of 1 5 6 2 5. Then 18th root of 27. Then 18th root of 16. Okay. The original number for this we have to write. So it is cube root of 5. Then next one is 6th root of 3. Then next one is 9th root of 4. So we are asked to arrange it in descending order. The given number we are asked to arrange it in descending order. So we have arranged it. So like this only it has to be done. Okay. So with this I am completing today's class. So whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.